Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a super quick updated brow routine, so let's get started. I start off by brushing out my brows with the spoolie side of my brow brush. I'm using my Morphe Concealer in the shade C135, and with my MAC 212 brush, I'm going to be carving out the bottom of the brow. Then with the same concealer and my e.l.f. concealer brush, I carve out the top of the brow. To fill in my brows, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills No. 12 brush and my Brow Powder Duo in the shade Granite. I always start off with the lighter shade, then I go into the darker shade with very light strokes. And you could slowly start to see it get a little bit darker. I just like to take in a little bit at a time because I don't want my brows to be too dark. Then when I'm finished filling them out, I go back in with a tiny bit more concealer and I carve them out once again to make them super sharp and clean. And to finish off the brows, I buff out the remaining concealer with my SEPHORA Multitasker concealer brush. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I told you it was going to be super quick. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hopefully it helps you out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.